You excited?
Mm-hmm.
What are we making? Do you know what it's called?
I don't know, cool.
I think it's called Confetti marshmallow popcorn. Let's see how this turns out. We need to first put this in the pot. You want to unwrap it?
No, yeah, I'll open.
You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
Right?
Yep.
Alright.
Want to take a butter. Okay. Is it almost all melted? Yep.
Ready?
Ready.
Good shit.
Go. Ooh. Yummy.
Oh no, I got stuck.
Let me help you.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's melted. Okay, we gotta stir, stir, stir. Funfetti's next.
Abby.
You turd.
Yeah, last name, Metzels, Abby.
No, just call me Abigail or Flabba. Abigail.
I'm gonna call you a toad head. Alright, that bastard. Ready?
Go ahead. Just do half of it. Why don't you get my popcorn out? It's the bag in there.
Parker time.
Popcorn time. That's Fiona's favorite popcorn. Have you ever tried it before?
No.
It tastes so good. Yeah.
Whole thing?
Let me watch that video.
Here.
That's good enough.
Hit it, sister.
Hit it, sister. Will you hold this bowl for me? Uh-huh. This looks good, Corinne.
Yeah. You try it?
Yeah, we're gonna try it.
Me, you?
Me and you.
And what's the movie?
What movie do you want to watch?
Howard the Duck.
Howie the Duck?
Yeah.
Or is it Howard the Duck?
Yes, that's it.
Howard?
Yeah, Howard.
I've never heard of that.
You know, funny.
Is it? Well, I'm
Yeah.
excited.
Howard the Duck.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Yes.
Get a bite. Oh, you want me to feed you? You're crazy. 1, 2.
No, what is it?
What you think?
My bad.
Not bad? That's pretty good.
Abigail, here's your question for the study of the paranormal at the
Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay.
What would you rate it out of 10? 1 to 10. How good is it?
Good.
Just good?
Yeah.
Just good.
I just wanted to show